Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone. This is Mariam Arshad, founder and director at Impact Dynamics, and I'm very happy to have such a great amount of participants, great number of participants who are participating in this workshop on empathy at workplaces and cognitive thinking ability.
What I specifically loved about this workshop was that it was an iterative process. It built on. It wasn't a standalone thing. So that is something that I really loved, and I think it's like a workshop. We should have more workshops like this to promote empathy in workplaces.
It was really amazing. The participants were very vocal, participative. They had fantastic questions, and the session just flew by. And Mohsin Lodi Saab did a great job in leading the whole discussion.
This was, I think, my first workshop around emotional intelligence, and it was absolutely lovely. I was very curious to know how this emotional intelligence, empathy, cognitive thinking, how these things translate into actual business value items.